Yun.
Saan nyo
So mali
kukunin?
pala ang balita. Hindi lang pala 600 ang meron kayo. 1 trillion.
Ma'am,
1 trillion.
i-explain
Sabihin
ko ba?
nyo.
Initial.
One
Sige.
trillion, Mr. Chair.
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary
po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang
po natin
anibersaryo?
One question lang. Ano consider mo ba ang PhilHealth as negosyo o medical insurer?
Health insurance po tayo.
Health.
Opo,
Oh.
very clear po sa amin.
Hindi na lang merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala Night. Gala Night and Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase like 150 ang balanse for 31. Yun pong hinihinging kong utilization nyo, anong tawag sa pondong yan, saan pwede legally gamitin. Pero ang sabi po nyo, 489, which is which po?
Okay po. Okay po, ma'am. Again po, ma'am, the surplus 150 and the reserve is 281, that's 431. That is part of our members' equity. Now, let's proceed.
431.
Apo.
Okay.
Total ng dalawa po.
600 minus 431. What's 600 minus 431?
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, punta na po ako sa 600. Explain ko na po siya.
100
Apo.
already. No, but 281 and 150, total 431 is part of the 600, right? Yes. It's
Ma'am,
different?
Different figure po to.
I don't
Okay.
understand.
Sige po, ma'am. Explain
teka.
ko po ng klaro.
Ibig nyo sabihin, iba pa yung, meron kayong 600 billion, meron pa kayong 281 billion na reserve, at meron pa kayong 150 billion na surplus? Kala ko po, itong 281 at 150, total 431, ay parte ng 600.
Explain
Iba
ko
pa
po, ma'am. Hindi, ma'am. Explain ko siya ng konti.
Go ahead.
This-
Sige,
Sige,
explain kasi nalilito na kami.
Kaya
Iba
kailangan
yung
ko po
sinasabi
ipapaliwanag.
iba yung nababasa namin, iba yung sinabi mo sa plenary, iba rin po yung sinasagot nyo rito.
Opo. Sige
Ano,
po.
para sa kaalaman po ng mga kababayan nating nakikinig at nangangamba sa kanilang benepisyo mula sa PhilHealth, paliwanag mo po ano yung 600 billion, kung parte ba itong 431 o 489.
Okay po.
Paki-simplify lang po.
Yes po.
Wag niyo pong lituin ang ating mga kababayan.
Yes po. Ang pinag-usapan po natin dito actually kung sa accounting po balance sheet to. Balance sheet, we have the assets equals liabilities plus equity. So this equity, ang pinag-usapan natin na surplus and reserve is part ng members' equity. So sa kabilang right side po siya. Now, ito pong dalawang ito,
That's 281 and 150, 431,
Opo,
ha?
opo.
Okay po.
okay po. Yung back up nito o sa kabilang banda niya, yung asset po natin, ito yung sinasabi na 600 po. We have as of September 628.2 billion asset, total asset po.
Total asset that is cash in the bank.
Cash, non-cash, including mga properties po ng korporasyon,
Teka.
total po to.
Hindi. Yung 600 na yan, bigay nyo yung breakdown. So,
Yes po.
ibig sabihin,
Yan mo ko ng ano, balance sheet.
281 and 150,
Yan yung balance sheet.
431 billion, iba pa sa 600. So, meron kayong
Apil.
600 plus 431. Ha?
Okay.
So,
Saan nyo
So, mali
kukunin?
pala ang balita. Hindi lang pala 600 ang meron kayo. 1 trillion.
Ma'am,
1 trillion.
explain ko ba?
nyo.
Explain ko, ma'am, ha?
Sige, paki-explain mo na.
Explain ko po, ma'am. Mr. Chair, explain ko lang siya ng konti. Again, 628, babalance ito eh. Because again, the asset should be total to the liabilities and members' equity. Now, on the part of the asset natin, we have 628.2 as of September. Sa 600,
Ulit. Ang pinagsimulan po natin yung 600 billion na nababasa namin sa pahayagan at nang sinabi po ng DOH na meron po ang PhilHealth 600 billion cash. Kanina, isang oras na yata tayo, lahat ng kasamahan nyo, including ang CEO at yung abogado, sinabi na meron daw kayong 281 na reserve at 150 na surplus. Sabi nyo, CEO and attorney, parte ito ng 600B. Sinasabi po ngayon ni Mr.
Limisiaco po.
Yes, nahiwalay pa ito maliban sa 600B. So, ibig sabihin, ang assets nyo, cash and non-cash, ay 1 trillion. Pakipaliwanag.
Yes po, ma'am. Mr. Chair, again, ito yung members equity po. Ang backup po niya yung ating assets. Now, sa total assets of 628, yung investment po natin, investment po. Kasi ang ating asset ay classified into two.
Quiet mo na or pakinggan
Ah.
muna natin kung gusto lumabas na lang muna yung magsasalita dyan.
Maraming salamat po. Again, ang ating asset po ay dalawa po to. We have current and non-current assets. Now, on the part of our investment portfolio po,
Ilagay sa screen.
mayroon pa tayong papakita natin doon. Papakita natin. Oo. Papakita natin doon. Sige. Ma'am, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, again, dalawang klase po yung ating assets, current and non-current assets. Now, as mentioned by our PCEO, the total investment portfolio, 489, dito po siya nasa asset po. So, ibig sabihin, our reserve and our surplus, ang backup niya ay ang ating assets. Now, sa asset po nito, malaking
489
Opo, malaki
assets.
Op- Ah.
And these are current assets.
investment portfolio po yung
Kaya nga,
489 po.
489.
Opo.
Investment portfolio.
So,
Ibig sabihin, ito po ay cash na ini-invest po ninyo para ini-invest po nyo sa bangko, sa financial institution na meron pong interest. Tama ba ho?
Opo.
Okay? So,
i-breakdown
meron
po
kayong-
natin, ma'am.
Ano po?
I-breakdown po natin.
One
para-
question lang. Anong
Sige.
kinukonsider mo ba ang PhilHealth as negosyo o medical insurer?
Health insurance po tayo.
Health.
Opo,
Oh.
very clear po sa amin na health
Paintindi
insurance.
sa mga kababayan natin. At pangalawang tanong, saan nyo kukunin ang inyong working budget for next year na 200, how much is that? 280? 281. Saan nyo kukunin dito sa sinasabi ninyo?
Opo, the source of our 284 corporate operating budget sa year 2025,
Ah.
estimated direct contribution of 203 billion, investment income of
Direct contribution, ito yung amin. Amin to.
atin po, atin.
Atin yun.
Opo.
Kaltas sweldo natin.
Opo,
So, yung sweldo natin, yun, ito yung sa working budget ninyo next year.
opo. Kasama po
Nakolekta
siya
na
dyan.
to, hindi pa?
That is estimated po. na
Estimated
makokolekta
pa,
po
kukolektahin
natin
pa.
Sa
Okay.
2025 po.
Out of 283, magkano?
284 po.
Oh, 280.
203 ay estimated.
Yung
direct.
81, saan nyo kukunin?
Ang again, yung other portion, my investment income estimated at 20 billion, Mr. Chair. And the difference of 48 ay kukunin natin siya doon sa surplus. Sa surplus na siya. 48 billion yan.
Sandali
So,
po.
may pagkukunan kayo.
Opo, may
Okay.
Can you
pagkukunan
assure
po.
the public na makukuha to?
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Honorable
Yung,
Ricardo.
yung 30th anniversary, saan kukunin? Hindi nyo pa sinasagot.
30th anniversary
Yung
po,
gastos nila sa 30th anniversary.
kasama po siya dapat sa COB 2025. But
Saan nga kukunin doon sa pondo na yon?
oo. Mm. Anniversary. The board approved the 323 for the stamp.
Saan nga kukunin doon?
323,000.
Doon kukunin sa inyong working budget itong
Okay.
gastos sa anniversary. Doon kukunin.
Mr. Chair, as discussed kagabi sa House, the 323,000 galing sa 2024 extended validity. Yun muna yung in-approve po ng management and ng board.
Magkano yung expected bigyan ko kayo ng chance naman to explain. Magkano yung expected or projected niyo ng gasto sa anniversary ninyo?
Oo.
Magkano?
Mr. Chair, the initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito. Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay again proposal pa lang siya.
Proposal. Kaya nga,
Pag
kung matutuloy
na-approve siya
ito,
ng
saan
board,
kukunin?
Ay kukunin siya sa corporate operating budget
So
sa
part pa rin ng working
team
budget
OA.
ninyo.
Yes
Oh.
po.
Ilang pasyente ang matutulungan yan? Yan, ang pinapakompute ko sa inyo.
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138
Opo.
million.
Sabihin mo nga, sir.
Siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman hindi biyahe. Siguro naman hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am,
Ed-
Mr. Chair.
Oh, ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yun ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo, you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposals,
Proposal.
but
Sandali,
with this,
sandali.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank
pa,
you
hindi
for
pa,
asking
hindi
that.
pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention, a proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na ito. Who's a smart person who
yeah.
gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino yung
So,
grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress, you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Madam,
Sino po ang brilliant na
It's-
nagbigay nito?
we have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Yes. Can that person, please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the finance committee of the health committee on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
We will submit, Your Honor, we will submit it within the day to Congress, no?
A sports meet
2 years to the
for
Senate.
32 million in a gala night with PROs, I hope it's at GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. And umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas.
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am,
if
to
I may lang
simplify
po,
the
no?
discussion, all of those,
Kaya nga, projected o plano niyo lang po, kaya ang tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.
600
Thank
billion. Yung mahiwagang 600, kasama ba ho ang 431? Iba pa po. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, that 628.2 billion is the total assets. Kasama po dito ay ang ating investment portfolio po of 489 billion po. And ito po ay composed of the following. Nasa special savings deposit po, Land Bank and DBP, a total of 104 billion. And a big portion of our investment portfolio, 76.70% ay 375.4 billion pesos government securities. And we have the corporate bonds of 10.1 billion pesos, that is 2.07% of the total 489.5 billion po. So dito po nakapasok ang ating investment, and ito po ay available natin na investment siya and convertible into cash. Pangangailangan mo ng korporasyon na magbayad ng benefit payment po natin, ito po yung ating gagamitin po,
Okay.
which is back up doon sa ating reserve. And
628 billion. Cash, ito po yung 49.9, almost 50 billion. Ito po yung nakadeposit sa government institutions, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Investment in time deposit, pareho pa rin sa cash and cash equivalents and investment in time deposits.
Opo.
49.9 and 71.5. Tama po?
Opo.
Ano yung cash equivalents? Ano yung 49 kung hindi po time deposit?
Opo.
What are these?
Cash in cash equivalent po, kasama po yung cash in bank, and then the special savings deposit.
Wag tanggalin nga, binabasa ko po eh. I don't wanna see our faces there. Pakilagay po ulit. Sino nagtanggal? Bakit pa tinatanggal? Pag binabasa ko, tinatanggal. Pakibalik. Please naman po. Iniisa-isa ko, tapos tatanggalin.
Ibaba mo na yung bag mo.
Okay po. So, the cash on hand, not in time deposit, is 49.9 and time deposit is 71. Receivables is 112. Receivables from whom? From members? Ano po yung receivables nyo? 112 billion.
Receivables, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, receivables from national government, NGA, of 77 billion.
No, it says here po 112.9 billion. 2024.
Opo, 112 po siya. A breakdown po yung binabasa ko ngayon.
The breakdown. Then
Apa.
say so. Because I cannot read your phone. Sir,
Apa.
pag nagbabasa po ako, iba po yung sinasabi nyo, so I get confused. So,
Opo,
you could kindly say it on the mic because
Apa.
we're recorded.
opo.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
So, of the 112, what's the breakdown, sir?
Receivable from national government, this is 77 billion. Receivable from direct contributors, 52 billion. Accrued interest receivable from investment of 6 billion. Of course, this is 130 billion more or less, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda. And allowance for impairment, pinabawas po natin, is 24 billion po. So that's the net of 112.9
Okay,
billion.
ano pong ibang current assets nyo? Very broad ang nakalagay po. Ano yung 1.6? 1.68 billion. Ano po yun na current assets? If it's not cash or time deposits. Water. Can you ask them to bring water? Thank you.
Other
What is this
assets, Madam, Mr. Chair, Part of these other assets are the following, or composed of the following. We have the fines and penalties from ECAs, and then payment recovery, DCPM, amounting to 1.6 billion pesos po. Payment recovery, ibig sabihin from the DCPM that we advances to the hospital na recover na po natin. And of course, kasama din po dito, compromise penalty of hospital amounting to 24 million pesos. Yun po.
The non-current assets, investment in securities at amortized cost. That's laki.
Opo.
Okay? Ano po? Paliwanag nyo sa amin.
Ito po ang ating government securities po. So this government securities nasa Bureau of Treasury po natin siya. Treasury bill of 28 billion and 232.2 billion for Treasury bond, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How about, of course, as property equipment, we understand that the investment property, what is that? What is the 855 million investment property?
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, this investment property are lupa nasa BGC. At Madam Chair, ang isa pang lupa ay nasa Quezon City.
What, why did you purchase the property? What is it going to be used for? Does it have income? Or is it a vacant lot?
The property, Madam Chair, sa Quezon City ay para sa head office ng korporasyon.
You're using it as a head office.
Yes, we will be using for...
You're building on the vacant lot.
Yes po, magbibuild pa lang po si PhilHealth. Inaasikaso po
You
yung...
are only renting your offices now.
Yes po.
And you are building in Quezon City.
Yes po.
How about the BGC property?
The BGC property naman po, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, this is in payment to the premium contribution ng PhilHealth. So instead of utang nila, babayar ng cash, property ang binigay kay
Ng
PhilHealth.
Sino po? Sino po ang nagbayad sa inyo ng property instead of premium? Instead of
Mr. Chair, ito po ay from SSS. Mr. Chair, Madam Honorable Ligarda po.
Instead of SSS paying you in cash, they paid you with the property?
Yes po.
What year
Mr.
was
Chair.
that? And what
This
was
is the transfer of Medicare SSS to PhilHealth after the enactment of Republic Act 7875 po.
So, it increased in value
Yes po.
because that was long ago.
Yes po.
Okay. How about property and equipment?
Property and equipment,
Kasi investment property, that was real estate. It says here, property and equipment, 1 billion. Anong klaseng property na hindi po investment property ang nakalagay po sa susunod? Gusto ko lang maintindihan kasi pera to ng taong bayan eh.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, this is composed of land and land improvements, of course, the building and structure and leased improvements, and of course, we have the furniture, fixtures, equipment, and books kasama dito,
Okay.
and our motor vehicle pati
Okay,
po.
proceed. What do you mean by right of use assets?
Right of use assets, Madam, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, ito po yung sa rental po ng corporation. Mga opisina po natin that we are renting that is being capitalized right now and then form part of the non-current assets
How
po.
about intangible assets?
Intangible assets, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, these are mga softwares that the corporation bought or developed, ginagamit po sa ating operation po.
Okay. Earlier this year, there was a proposal, an attempt to utilize 89.9 billion, was it? Because they said there was unutilized funds. May we know, we have now 628 billion in your assets and non-current assets, saan po manggagaling tong 89? But I think there's a case in the Supreme Court, right? Hindi na natuloy. Saan po manggagaling ito dapat?
Mr. Chair, Honorable
Which
Ligarda,
I'm not in favor of course, I'm not in favor of this transfer, but I read it, there was a Senate hearing about it. Among all of this, saan po manggagaling yung 89.9 billion termed as unutilized funds?
Apo, we have 89.9 and of course, na-transfer na po natin ang 60 billion. Ito po ay kinuha ang 89.9 as part of our surplus or excess